everybody over. Yep. It is what it is, bro. I'm gonna get soda. Are you gonna come with me to Black Friday? Early in the morning? Stay up. Oh yeah, you're right. Never mind.
Does he not celebrate Thanksgiving?
I guess not, buddy. Okay, buddy. Bro, balling on the scooter. Or something. Balling. We're gonna daytime POV of the Acura Integra on Thanksgiving. So if you're watching this on Thanksgiving, if I post this on Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family, and enjoy that big old turkey. All these places are closed, right?
Yeah. Still a lot of people on the road though.
Facts. They're probably all doing what we're doing, or they're probably going to like dinner or something. Oh, shish kebab. Got hit by the car. Sun blocker. Every Thanksgiving for us is low-key lame. It's because it's just me, you, and really, and I. When you grow up and you don't talk to your family, Thanksgiving can be a little bit boring. Yeah. A lot of people have to work on Thanksgiving. This guy's going on red. What the heck? That is so illegal. What if Wawa is closed? just realized you have paddle shifters. It's pretty dope.
Yeah.
Drop it into second gear.
No point.
If you ever track an Integra, you can drop it into second gear and
I swear, they'll be putting paddle shifters on cars for like
nothing.
like why? Like,
No, I mean this is a quick car. It's a quick handling car. It handles really good.
Yes, man. Yeah, the handling is really good.
Well, look at this. Oh my god, it's like a go-kart, bro. Low key. These are like a go-kart for sure.
It's like the best thing, probably.
Yeah, for like
Performance-wise.
closed circuit racing. Got a G-Wagon. I like the turn signal, it's nice.
Yeah.
That G is hard. Dang.
Is there a lot of people that have that car now?
The G's?
Yeah.
Is that your friend? No, right? That's not Kieran.
He doesn't have it for everybody.
Next month I could buy a motorcycle and just become a moto vlogger, but there's a lot of moto vloggers on YouTube, so it's kind of saturated. It would be tough though. This thing handles so good.
What is this thing?
Yes, let's just get out in the middle of the road with oncoming vehicles. Oh, I don't have my thing.
One drug it, run and grab it.
Yeah,
I don't need anything.
that's fine. I'll be right back. I don't know what.
How would you have?
Hell yeah. I'm bringing everybody with me. I'm bringing everybody with me.
Everybody get a bottle.
Oh, it's got more cans. You can put it in the back. Red, like the seats. Coca-Cola seats. I figured I would just get cans because we're not gonna drink a whole bottle.
Alright, watch out.
There's nothing you want, right? Alright.
Watch out. Watch out, bro. Chill, dude. Chill, bro, chill. Just because you have camera doesn't mean you're cool.
Bro, this is my dash cam on my head.
Bro, you look very suspicious.
Anybody try me, I got the evidence on hand.
Look suspicious.
Insurance claims all day, every day. You better have that VI, and if you don't, I have that If you know, you know what I'm talking about. Hey, what are you doing?
Alright, bro, you're dragging it. Stop.
Hey, bro. Hey,
You know how to get rid of this?
It's called the defroster in the front. Yeah, it's because you have this on. This.
What does that have what on?
That thing right here, the front defroster on. Fudge cakes. Oh, that guy is going really fast. We got mauled by a F-250.
God forbid.
Low key? Dang. This thing got juice to it, boy. Buddy boy.
Hey, bro, why is everybody speeding on Thanksgiving?
They gotta get to that turkey, man. They gotta get to the turkey.
Holy crap!
Yeah, that guy is speeding and that guy is speeding behind that guy.
That dude's speeding, this dude's speeding.
Oh god.
You're speeding.
I'm doing the fucking. I'm doing the speeding and the speeding.
You're one of them. not gonna be thankful when you're fucking.
What do you
on a
mean?
tree, bro.
What do you mean? Do you know why you don't see any turkeys anywhere?
Because they're all dead.
Because they are all being eaten.
They're all getting good right now.
Today is Turkey Mascot Day. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
Why you sound Irish? Your accent's kind of rusty.
I do these things.
I do these things. Oh, nah, we can't even be saying that. After
I
what you
do
did to that
these
girl,
things.
bro. You didn't hear
I don't
that?
even know. No, I
I
don't
say,
know.
bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
You
Wow.
got found guilty, paid her $250,000.
Dang. I guess he does these things. Okay, so
You're out of pocket. Everybody has
That's
so much
it.
hate in the comments. Bro, nobody's just go joking about that, dude.
Buffalo Bills fan.
Yeah. The Bills are good, but we don't like the Bills.
I guess not. Yeah, you heard him. We don't like the Bills.
We got a Ravens fan.
I love the Ravens.
We got a
Lamar,
Cowboys fan in the
Zay
house.
Flowers.
We got a Dolphins fan in the house.
Derrick Henry.
That's
Oh
my
yeah.
Bills, man. Dolphins getting that Thanksgiving dub, though.
Oh yeah. Handling check.
And the brakes are really good. Dang, dude, this son need to chill, bro. The son don't got family to spend Thanksgiving.
Oh, this thing is a go-kart. Dang. And the coke went flying
This son
everywhere.
don't got like a family to spend Thanksgiving with. Why he out right now?
Wait, check. Dang, this car is tight, bro. That coke went flying. This dude got rear-ended.
Alright, do not break that.
Bro, these brakes are actually so good. You don't have Brembos, right? They're actually so nice.
Expensive.
Yeah, they are.
Did you hear that little whine?
Yeah, it's got a little turbo.
You got a
Look.
little turbo. You heard
Wait,
that, right?
It does have a
What the
turbo.
fudge? Stop.
What the?
Thumbs up. It is always walking his dog on that side.
That guy? Bro, whose initial reaction to a honk is thumbs up? Like,
Because you waved.
oh, Thanksgiving. Yeah, facts. That's how you say Thanksgiving. Alright, guys.
Maybe that's not how you say
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment below your thoughts on the Integra and how it handles and how quick it is. And everybody have a great Thanksgiving.
Little baby turbo too.
Oh yeah, let's hear the turbo again.
You can hear
Oh,
it.
yo, we should like modify that. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.